Hey guys, over the past couple weeks I've been getting a few packages here and there with some cards, and I figured I would just show them off here. This first package is my newest stuff that I got in today. So let's start with that. I purchased on eBay a couple of LeBron James rookies as well as Reggie Miller. So I'll show those off. Okay, and I won't tell you what price I gave for them. Let's just say I got them really, really cheap. So, we've got two of these. Show off the better condition one. There. Okay. Also got two Reggie Millers in the same lot as well. So, got all the bring LeBron James cards. Let's see. Okay. Together. Put a little parch there. There's a Yuta Tabuse, the first Japanese-born NBA player. Find that to be really interesting and cool, and he's not a bad player at all, so it's nice to have a card of him. That's the first step here. Let's see what's next. Okay. Here's a let's see, Larry Bird rookie card here. This isn't the one that contains Julius Erving and Magic Johnson's rookie, but I couldn't really afford that one at the moment, so I got this. As far as what it's worth, I got it really cheap, so I'm pleased with that. It's a nice shape too. Okay. Right, Peyton Manning. Definitely a fan of Peyton Manning there, and the back of this card is let's see, John Elway, so that's a pretty cool card. And here's my first graded card of Peyton Manning there. Okay, it's pretty sweet. And last not but least, even though it's not his true rookie card, I still consider it to be a rookie card, even though it's the, let's see, 86, 87 player sticker card of Michael Jordan. I mean, it's still, a lot of people still consider this to be his, sticker rookie card. I mean, in my opinion, I consider rookie cards, plus I did pay a little bit for it, so but it's a really nice card. I'm happy to have it in my collection. There's some information on the back there. Okay, so I'm real happy to have that, and hopefully tomorrow I should be getting a package of some cards and then a box of some other cards, and I'll be showing those off tomorrow. So thanks for watching, and peace.